Finding a rough stone and wondering if it could be a diamond is exciting. While professional testing is always the most accurate option, there are several simple methods you can try at home to check whether a rough stone may be a diamond. 1. Examine the shape and surface. Rough diamonds usually have a natural crystal shape with sharp edges and a rough or greasy-looking surface. They often appear transparent or slightly cloudy rather than perfectly shiny like polished diamonds. Look for sharp crystal edges, natural irregular shapes, slight greasy or waxy appearance, transparent or semi-transparent texture. Number 2, perform the fog test. Diamonds disperse heat very quickly. How to do it? Hold the rough stone close to your mouth. Breathe on it like you would fog a mirror. If the fog disappears almost instantly, the stone may have diamond-like thermal properties. If the fog stays for several seconds, it is likely not a diamond. Number 3, check hardness. Carefully. Diamond is one of the hardest natural materials. Simple scratch test. Diamonds can scratch glass and many other minerals. However, this test should be done carefully because it may damage the stone or the surface being scratched. Remember, some other hard minerals can also scratch glass. Hammer 4. Use water density observation. Place the stone in a glass of water. A rough diamond is dense and usually sinks quickly. This test alone does not confirm a diamond, but it can help eliminate lightweight materials. 5. Observe under light. Use a flashlight or natural sunlight. Rough diamonds may show bright reflections, strong sparkle, natural internal inclusions, or tiny imperfections. Unlike glass, diamonds often reflect light in a more intense and unique way. Number 6. Use a magnifying glass. A magnifier or jewelry loupe can help. Look for natural inclusions, uneven crystal growth, sharp edges instead of rounded glass-like surfaces. Final thoughts. Home tests can give clues, but they cannot guarantee that a rough stone is a real diamond. Many minerals such as quartz or moissanite may look similar. For accurate identification and value estimation, professional gem testing is recommended.